Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the VN Video Editor on your Windows laptop or PC in 2025. VN is a powerful free video editing app that's popular among creators for its intuitive interface and watermark-free exports. How to install VN Videos Editor on Windows. Since VN doesn't offer a native Windows version, you will need to use an Android emulator to run it on your PC. Here's how to do it using BlueStacks, one of the most reliable emulators available. First, download BlueStacks. Visit the official website at bluestacks.com and download the latest version of the emulator. Install the BlueStack. Run the installer and follow on the screen instruction to complete the installation process. Set up BlueStacks. Launch BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. Search for a VN Video Editor. In the Play Store, type VN Video Editor into the search bar and select the official app from the list. Install the app. Click the install button to download and install VN Video Editor on BlueStacks. Launch VN Video Editor. Once installed, open the VN Video Editor from the BlueStacks home screen and start editing your videos. For detailed guide, you can refer to bluestacks.com. Tips for optimal performance. Ensure your PC meets the following minimum requirement for smooth operation. It has to be Windows 10 or later in the operating system. Then it has to be Intel or AMD with at least 2 cores. RAM has to be 4 GB or more. And when it comes to storage, it has to be 5 GB of free space disk. If you encounter issues with BlueStack, consider using another Android emulator like LD Player or Mimo, which are also compatible with VN Video Editor. Keep in mind, running VN through an emulator may not offer the same performance as the mobile device. For smoother editing, especially with high-resolution videos, ensure your PC has an adequate resources. And thanks for watching. If this helps you to download and install VN Video Editor on your PC, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more video editing tutorial and guides. See you in the next time.